Hello everybody. Today I show you how I eat fish. This is a baked fish. I bake it. I put in a small toast also or small countertop oven as I bake in there, and I will eat with the rice and lettuce with mixed fish sauce. And if you want to know how to make it and come back, I don't know. I will record I will make a video of how I bake this fish and how I made the mixed fish sauce for the dressing, the dipping, fish dipping, and how to cook rice with have to go in bottom like this. And the lettuce, I already show you how to cut it. It's okay. That's my dinner today. Yep, that's look kind of yummy. You can add the fish on this side like this. This is stuck in the bottom. Okay, you can add fish here and add some sauce. No, some sauce here. And another way you eat by dipping in here and then here, and you get some rice with that. That's how I eat. Sometimes I just eat with the forks and the spoon. I put the fish on the dish here and then I start eating like this. You can dip from here. Yeah, it is. That's a very yummy, that's right. Okay, I will show you how I bake the fish and make the fish the sauce for dipping and how cook rice. I don't know when I will do, but I will. especially how to make the rice golden like this. Another way you can pour the sauce over here, this fish too. That's how I did. Sometimes depend on how the mood I want to eat that day and how many people eating. Most of the time we add the sauce directly to the fish and we eat